welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. I know I have been gone for a while. I was completing my master's degree. I finally graduated in December. Oh, I am so happy to have accomplished that. It was truly a challenge, you know, towards the end there. My second to last class was the capstone, and it was intense. It was really intense and definitely a challenging class for me. And so much that I felt like, oh my gosh, am I gonna pass this class, you know? But just perseverance and determination got me through. So I'm so happy to be done with my master's and to finally be done with all of that and just to have my life back. I felt like school took up so much of my extra time that's where, you know, pretty much had been doing for the past, you know, almost 2 years. So so happy to be done. I am yeah, a little over a year and a half of my life doing that. So yay. So, yeah, I want to get back. I want to get back to content creating and just really focusing, really grinding it out, getting back into it, really taking it seriously. What else has been going on? Just work, and definitely traveled for the holidays. Went and saw my family, and so that's always fun. I always love being around my family. And I love hanging out with my niece and nephew. They are such a joy to be around. And then what else? My Disney pass, definitely love it. It's actually gonna be expiring here pretty soon. The end of this month actually. So I am still trying to decide if I'm gonna, you know, extend it and renew, or if I'm gonna just let it you know, discontinue, but I really want to renew. But unfortunately, the pass that I had, they actually discontinued it and they changed it to, it's called Explore Pass now. And it's a little bit more, but they added more benefits to it. I believe they added more summer dates. And I think they added a discount for parking. I think that was part of it too. No, the parking I think is the same. It's the tier up above me that has a bigger parking discount. So yeah, I definitely, I want to renew because I do love going. It's always fun to just, if I'm just chilling and I want to do something, it's always fun to be able to just make a reservation and go, just have some fun and take my time and not feel rushed. Because I think that's the thing when I go to Disney, like when I would go with my family, like once a year, you know, you just have that one day. So you really have to cram it in and try and get on all the rides you want and see everything, you know, and see the shows and really try and cram it in one day. And it's super hard, especially with both parks. So by the time we would, you know, hop over to California Adventure at the end of the night, we're trying to rush through to see everything. And it's hard. It's definitely hard to do, you know, both parks in one day. And do everything that you want to do. So I really like the pass for that reason, so that I can just go here and there, you know, maybe once a month, and just go and take my time and not feel rushed and know that, okay, I can come back. You know, if I couldn't get on that ride or the ride broke down, or maybe the ride's not open, I can come back and enjoy the park. Or maybe I want to try some new foods. There's so many foods that I have not tried at Disney. Which is so surprising because I used to work there and I grew up going there. So it's so funny when I go to the parks. I kind of stick with my normal snacks that I get, that I love to get, but I definitely want to try, you know, experimenting with more of the foods there and like the drinks and just, you know, looking around at the merch, like really looking around, because I normally just kind of browse through real quick, or I'm looking for something specific. And just do more of that on my channel. So definitely, yeah, I think that's definitely something that I want to work on. So it's definitely sounding more like I'm gonna renew. But yeah, just trying to figure out which pass to get. And then what else? So yeah, work, just continuing to work. And then I'm also planning you know, some more trips. So definitely have that. And then, oh, also, I've been cooking a bit more. And I realized that, because if you know me, you know that I do not enjoy cooking. It's just been a struggle for me. If you know, you know. Cooking has just not been my forte. Cleaning, I will clean. I will clean up and down. But I've learned that, like, with cooking, particularly in the past like couple of weeks, that if you just kind of spice it up, add a different spice, add a different, you know, ingredient, it kind of helps make the dish more enjoyable and more fun to cook. Like lately I've been doing like this breakfast with like hash brown and like a fried egg, but I'll like spruce up the fried egg and put like green onion in it, cilantro, some different spices, just to kind of make it not just boring, you know? So that's what I've been doing, and just trying to cook a bit more, you know, trying to be healthier. If you can kind of tell my voice, I have like a cough going on. So I'm hoping to, you know, be good here soon. But I feel pretty good other than that. And yeah, so let me see what else. But yeah, the holidays were great. You know, like I said, I went to see my family. I have something in the summer planned. I won't tell you guys, it'll be a surprise. And I'm trying to think what else. Oh, I've also been really upping my fitness. So I've been trying to walk more. I really want to accomplish, you know, 10,000 steps every day. I was on a roll for like 9 or maybe 10 days, but like I said, just recently I started to get this like cough, and I started not to feel well, so I lost my streak, which I'm sad about, because I was doing so well. I was walking like 4 to 5 miles a day. It was crazy. I was definitely starting to feel it after a few days. My body was like, yo, you are really doing something over here. And but it felt good. It felt good to really push myself. I got into a habit of it too, especially after work. I would just go for a walk, and it really made me feel good. And I definitely noticed like my sleep improved, you know, and then I started to eat better too as well. So that was really a really good benefit. Now, one thing I will say about walking is to make sure that you have good shoes, because I realized one of the days I had on some sneakers that aren't the best for walking long term, and the next day my ankle was hurting, and so I was like, oh, it's probably from those shoes. And so I kind of had to take it easy that day. But definitely recommend that. So if you guys are trying to get back into your fitness for the new year, definitely recommend to get some, you know, good shoes for walking, if you are a walking girly like myself. And then I am also working on my vision board. I like to do that. I haven't done it actually in a couple of years. I did one electronically on my computer a couple years ago, and I've been meaning to do one. And I did one a long time ago on a poster board, but I feel like electronically just makes it easier. And so I'm working on my vision board. So I'll show you guys that once I finish it and complete it, and I'll go over it and kind of, you know, show you what I'm hoping for in my vision board. So what else? I've just been watching some good shows. I watched His and Hers. That's really good if you guys have not seen it. It's slow at first, but you just gotta keep going all the way to the end. And then I've also watched Paradise. That was really good. Can't wait for that second season to come out. Just watched the Grammys. That was amazing. Really good award show this year. I love Olivia Dean. I think she is wonderful. She is fabulous. I love her. I really wanted to go to her tour, but it sold out so fast. What else? Jill Scott album is coming out. I'm so excited for that. I love Jill Scott. If you know me, you know I love R&B, and she's definitely one of my favorite artists. Definitely love her. That is probably what I've been up to. Yeah, I've just been watching those shows. Let me know in the comment section below if there's any shows you guys would recommend for me to watch, or if you what you'd like to see more of. If you want to see daily vlogs or more Disney, let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and definitely comment down below. Like I said, let me know if you guys have any favorite shows you've watched, or what type of content you want to see. And don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, come join the family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.